I want to show you a really cool Chrome extension that I use quite a bit. It's called the Color Picker or the Eyedropper Color Picker, I think. I'll show it to you in the Chrome store. But anyway, it's come in handy quite often, even though I'm not really a graphic design artist or anything like that. But I guess that's why I like it, because it's a simple tool. But if you look right up here at my extensions in my Chrome browser, it's this one right here, so the eyedropper. If I click on that, it allows me to pick colors or kind of basically get a color how right off the web. So if I click this pick color from from a web page, I can now hover over anywhere in my web page, and I'm able to select a color. So I'll just go ahead and select this color here, and then if I click my color picker, it shows me, my new and my selected color, so on and so forth. So I can get the colors that I need, and it gives me specific codes that I can use depending upon which application I'm using to be able to create that color. So I use it a lot if, in this example, I have a logo, right? Something that maybe you're trying to recreate a mock logo, or those are some examples when I've used it before. Or if you just want to get a specific color, you like a color on a web page and you want to get that color. So what you can do is if you just grab this code right here, so depending on what application you're using, you may want to use the RGB or the HSL, whichever code works. But in this case, I'm just going to use this one. And then I come over here. I'm in just a web editor here, and it gives me that color. So right off the bat, now if I'm working on this on this here, we'll get this right. Yeah, it's that third feather. So now I have that exact color, right? If I'm recreating this logo or I want to get that color. But it's come in handy when I've worked on projects and wanted to get a color off a web page. Oh, and how you get this? It's in the Chrome store. So if you just go to chrome.google.com/web store, and then you can search eyedropper. It's the first one that comes up for me. I already have it added. You'll hit add to Chrome. That's where it would be, right up there. A lot of other people use this tool, and I've found it to be a pretty great tool to use. So